Hey everybody, we're doing the Pythagorean theorem. We're asked to round to the nearest tenth when necessary. So we have this problem right here. We have a 6 and 3. You can see that those two sides are definitely the legs because they do form the right angle. And the right angle is sitting directly across from the missing side length, which is your hypotenuse. So we have that missing here. And we're going to try to figure out what that is. Again, you can call this C, you can call it X, you can call it whatever you'd like it to call it. Does not make a difference. We're just going to go ahead and solve these. So we're going to plug in the formula a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And we'll go ahead and solve. The smallest side is your 3. So we're going to put that in as an a squared. Our next smallest side is 6. So that would be your b squared. And you can put that c squared like that. Again, if you get them mixed up and you flip them around and put the 6 squared first and the 3 squared second, that's fine. It doesn't really make a difference as far as like the outcome of your answer. Obviously, you should be putting this where A is the smallest side and B is the second smallest side. As long as you know that the C is the part that's missing, that's important. Because that will definitely change your answer if you do it wrong. We're going to go ahead and solve. So 3 times 3 is going to be 9. 6 times 6 is going to give me 36. And then we are equal to c squared. 9 and 36 gives me 45. 45 is equal to c squared. And we cannot leave c like that because it cannot be with that little square value. So we need to undo that with our inverse operation by square rooting it. That cancels that little square out. And now we are left with c being equal to approximately, because 45 is not a perfect square. So when we use that calculator, you're going to round it to the nearest tenth, and your answer should be approximately 6, 7. And that is how you do that. And again, if you want more questions like this, you can find them on my YouTube channel, YouWantAlgebra, Instagram, YouWantAlgebra, or TikTok. And you're going to find me under the playlist for this is going to be the Pythagorean theorem.